Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Open Source Tonight. In today's program, I want to talk about an open source program to listen to the radio. That's right, we're going to be talking about the radio in 2025. Only the state-of-the-art technology here at Open Source Tonight. But in all seriousness, we're going to be talking about internet radio, where it's digital. Makes it better, right? Because there's a bunch of zeros and ones involved. Well, if you agree with me on that, or if you just want to listen to internet radio for some other reason, Shortwave is an open source application that I use, along with other people, to listen to the internet radio. And it actually, considering a lot of stations have internet feeds, you could even listen to terrestrial stations, technically. Anyway, let's go take a look at the software. All right, so this right here is the software. For obvious reasons, I won't be able to actually play a station, at least not with the audio on anyway. But if we mute that, you can actually turn the volume up and down here. And obviously, you can mute right there. But I'm not recording the sound for obvious reasons because they're playing music, and I obviously don't have the rights to play the music to you. So, but you know what radio sounds like, and the quality seems quite good. I can click on this little button here, and it shows me the station details. Now, this is a station that I put in by hand. It's a station in my local area. Another station in my local area here, right here. So you can click the little play button and it will change to that station. Now you can see I'm playing the public radio station. I can stop it. You know, you get different things like that. You've got the ability to actually send it to a Chromecast from this software, but I don't have a Chromecast. You can add your own local stations, which these stations was not in the directory, so I had to add their streams manually. So I can hit add local station, and now I can put in a name, Cool FM 104.8. I don't know. I'm just making this up. And, you know, then you put in the stream URL. So, I don't know. opensource-tonight.com/cool-FM-live-test-joke.mp3. And there you go. Now we've just added a station that doesn't exist. Now, if you want to see how to delete that, that's actually quite easy as well. We click on the station link here, and we just hit this remove from library button. And just like that, it's gone now. And obviously that wasn't a real station in the first place. But if I want to add one from the directory, I can hit this plus button. Not the arrow next to it, but the plus button. And you can see this will come up with a bunch of stuff. So I could add a different feed. So like, for example, let's just say that let's just add iHeart here. So you click on its name and it will let you play it. It will let you add it to the library. You can get a link to their website here, their logo. It tells you different things like the bit rate, the country of origin, things like that. So I can say, you know what, I want to listen to this station all the time. I'm going to add it to the library. And now if I go back to my library, there it is. And I can hit play. And you can see if a stream supports it, it will actually give you the metadata as well, so you can see what's playing right now. You also can actually come in here. I don't know how legal this is. I ain't no lawyer, but you actually do have the ability for it to record each track. So if it's got metadata, you can have it automatically record the tracks. Now I have this turned off because I don't want to record anything anyway. But if you wanted to turn that on, actually it defaults to being on, you could do that. Now, that being said, I don't know, maybe there's people who want to do that. I don't generally care. So, anyway, there's that. We can look at the keyboard shortcuts. You can see there's a bunch of them here. And so you can use these keyboard shortcuts to control things. So that's pretty much all there is about the program, but I am going to show you the About screen here. It's a nice open source piece of software by Felix Hacker. I hope I'm pronouncing Felix right. I think that's how you pronounce that. And so you can see there's a couple other people that's contributed code and design. Pretty nice application, I have to say. Very responsive, and it is released under the GPL. So if you are looking for an open source radio app, I think it's a quite good one to check out. I'll put a link to it in the description, and you can also find the link to it by going to opensourcetonight.com. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed that video. And let me know if I radioed this in. Get it? It's like phoned it in, but it's anyway. Let me know your thoughts on this video. And until next time, everybody, thanks for watching and goodbye.
And action.